નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 5 of chapter 7, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate, and this is standard 7th science. In the last part we had discussed about the mean temperature, how to find out the mean temperature, isn't it? So that we can understand the climate of such area, that particular area. Second thing, we discussed about what is hot climate, what is hot and wet climate, only hot, and what is hot and dry climate that is available in Rajasthan, India. Hot and wet climate available in the Kerala. That's what we discussed in the last part. Today we are going to discuss point 7.3, climate and adaptation. Okay, that is available on the page number 72. So in your textbook also open page number 72. Let's start our this discussion. Climate has a profound effect on all living organisms. Climate has a profound effect on all living organisms. See, in each and every area there is to be different type of living organisms, isn't it? And it has profound effect, that is great effect on those living organisms. Animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. Animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. Animals living in very cold and hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. जो एनिमल्स लिविंग इन वेरी कोल्ड क्लाइमेट, तो उनके पास उस टाइप का बॉडी होना चाहिए सो दैट के दे कैन लिव इन दैट एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड. उस टाइप का बॉडी उसका होना चाहिए, एंड वो उस टाइप का बॉडी हो जाता है, दैट इज एडेप्टेशन. लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड मोर. Recall the chapter 9 of your class 6th science. The definition of adaptation: features and habits that help animal to adapt to their surroundings are a result of the process of evolution. Now, result of the process of evolution, that is what? Suppose, say, in the desert, as an animal there is to be, say, camel is there. तो केमल जो है उसका जो बॉडी है, उसका जो बंधारण है, वो ईयर बाय ईयर वो चेंज होता जाता है. फिर वो ऐसा बॉडी हो जाता है सो दैट के दे कैन लिव देयर वेरी इजीली. तो जो बॉडी में जो चेंज आना है, इट अकर्स ड्यूरिंग मेनी इयर्स. ओके, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड इवोल्यूशन, आई कैन से. अब जो केमल है वो किस टाइप का होता है? अब उसका जो बॉडी है, सपोज इट विल गेट वाटर विद वंस इन अ वीक, देन ऑल्सो देयर विल नॉट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम टू दैट केमल. ओके, फिर तो उसकी वजह से उसका यूरिनेशन कम हो जाता है ताकि वाटर ज्यादा वेस्ट ना हो. सपोज वहां की जो वहां पे डेजर्ट में जो प्लांट्स है उसमें भी क्या होता है, ट्रांसपीरेशन की प्रोसेस ना हो, इसलिए जो लीव्स है विल बिकम थॉर्न इन द कैक्टस. यू मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ दैट थिंग. सो दैट इज एडेप्टेशन ऑफ द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. इन चैप्टर 9 you will learn about the effect of weather and climate on soil. The effect of weather and climate on soil. Here we will study the effect of climate on animals only. We will study the effect of climate on animals only. In class 6 You have read about adaptations of animals on certain habitats. As examples of adaptation of animals to climatic conditions, we discuss only animals living in polar regions and tropical rainforests. See, in standard 6, we discussed about the adaptations of animals and plants in such regions like desert, it was grasslands, isn't it? Then mountains, then it was in the sea, that is salty water, it was in the ponds and rivers, that is sweet water. That what we understood or discussed in the class 6. But in this class, in this chapter, see, we discuss only animals living in polar regions and tropical rainforests. That is only. As the name suggests, the polar regions are situated near the poles, that is North Pole and South Pole. Some well-known countries that belong to the polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and Siberian regions of Russia. Now let's try to understand what are polar regions, that is North Pole and South Pole. First of all, let's understand that, and then after we will go further. Okay, so we know that, and I know that you must have learned this in the standard 5th and 6th social science. Okay, so just we will go for overview only. Suppose this is an earth, okay, then it is something like this, okay. Here you can see equator and this region over here and this somewhere over here, okay. This must be, this is North Pole, that is South Pole, we know that. Here there is North Pole, we know that. Now let's see the countries over there. Which are the countries over there in the North Pole? See, here you can see. In this page, you can see here there is Alaska. See, first of all, these are the regions. This region over here. Okay, this is view from the upper side. That is why this is Alaska. Here you can see there is Canada somewhere over here. Here somewhere there is Greenland. This is Iceland. Norway somewhere over here. This is Sweden. This is Finland. So these are, and somewhere over here there will be Siberia of Russia. Siberian part somewhere over here. Okay. So we will study some known countries that belong to polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska, USA, and Siberian region of Russia. You can see all these countries are over here in the polar region. Example of some countries where the tropical rainforests are found are India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria. See, these countries about which are available in tropical rainforest, we will discuss later when we will go there. We will reach there. By this time, we will discuss about polar regions only. And there is an activity 7.2 is there, in which take an outline map of the world, mark the polar regions in blue, similarly mark the tropical regions in red. आपको एक एक्टिविटी भी करनी है, activity 7.2, in which what you will do, टेक एन आउटलाइन मैप ऑफ वर्ल्ड। आपको एक आउटलाइन मैप लेना है वर्ल्ड का और मार्क द पोलर रीजन्स। आपको पोलर रीजन्स को मार्क करना है इन ब्लू कलर। सिमिलरली मार्क द ट्रॉपिकल रीजन इन रेड। तो आपको एक ऐसी एक्टिविटी भी करनी है। नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस द पोलर रीजन्स। So we'll discuss this in the next part. Actually we'll discuss the polar regions in the next part. By this time you do this activity 7.2, take a world map, outline and mark the polar regions and tropical rainforest regions with blue and red. Do that activity, and if you could not understand, go this video 2 to 3 times, and in the next part we will discuss about polar regions and adaptations of animals in the polar region. By this time we are ending this part. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.